Pocophone or Pocophone. So what is Pocophone and why is it becoming so popular without any advertising or promotion? Let's do an unboxing and know more about this outstanding smartphone. Also, I'll do a small Q&A to answer some frequently asked questions about this device at the end of the video. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So let's start the unboxing. But before I start,
kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video.
You get quick charge 3.0 adapter, a USB Type-C case, a rubberized basic case inside the box with the smartphone, Now let's power on the smartphone for the first time. So it has a 12 megapixel rear camera with a 5 megapixel depth sensor. On the front, it has 20 megapixel selfie camera. The cutout of headphone jack is a bit odd. Seems like they have done it in a rush. The smartphone has a fingerprint scanner which is quite decent and also face unlock which works super fast in any lighting conditions as it's using the iris-based face recognition. The screen is IPS panel with 1080 x 2246 resolution which is quite decent in indoor and okay in daylight. It is running MI 9.6 over Android 8.1 and Xiaomi has promised that the smartphone will get the Android P or Android 9 with the MIUI 10. The camera or the cameras are good, especially the rear with 4K 30 frames per second video recording. Also the pictures which I have taken during my test came out really impressive. Let's have a look at the pictures. The phone can record slow motion videos 1080p at 240 frames per second. I'm still testing the smartphone as it is unbelievable what Xiaomi has done by giving all these features for just $300 or in Indian currency is 21,000 and UAE it is 1,180. So for this price range, kudos to Xiaomi for giving such an amazing smartphone. Now let's come to Q&A and frequently asked questions about the smartphone. Let's start with the basic questions. Does the phone comes with IR blaster? No, it doesn't. Is it water resistant? No, it is not. How much is the weight of the phone? The phone weighs around 187 grams. What is the thickness of this phone? So the phone is 8.8 mm thick. Does the Pocophone comes with a notification light? Yes, it does. Does the Pocophone comes with Gorilla Glass protection? Yes, it does. It comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. How is the sunlight legibility on this device? The sunlight legibility is quite good. No issues while using it under the direct sunlight. Does the Pocophone F1 support adaptive brightness? Yes, it supports adaptive brightness, auto brightness. Does the phone support fast charging or quick charging? Yes, the phone has 3.0 fast charging or quick charge support. How much is the battery life on the phone? It can last up to 14 to 15 hours with very heavy usage. Battery will easily survive for a day. How much time does it take to charge the phone? It takes around 1.5 hours to approximate 2 hours with a quick charge. Does the phone support wireless charging? No, it doesn't. Can the phone record in 4K 60 frames per second? No. Snapdragon 845 does support 4K 60 frames per second. So maybe Xiaomi will give an update in the future. Can Pocophone F1 record slow motion videos? Yes, it does. It can record slow motion 1080p videos with 240 frames per second. Does the phone has any heating issues? There is no heating issues on this device. It comes with a liquid cool technology, water-based cooling with a copper wire. The technology will apparently keep the phone cool even during intense gaming sessions. And also, don't forget it comes with a plastic body. Can the phone play heavy games like Asphalt 8 and Modern Combat 5? Yes, it can run any graphic intensive games without any lags or frame drop because it has an amazing GPU Adreno 630. Can you uninstall or disable pre-install application on the handset? Yes, you can disable them, but you cannot uninstall all of them as it's given by Xiaomi, so thanks to Xiaomi. How many colors the phone comes in? It comes in gray, red, blue, and there's also an armored edition, which is special edition. What is the SAR value of the phone? It is 0.746. Does the phone has UFS 2.1 storage? Yes, it has. Does the phone has FM radio? Yes, it does, but you need an headphone. So what is my overall thought about this phone and overall opinion? See, the phone does lack some basic feature. It doesn't have NFC. It doesn't have water resistant. But again, for this price point, I definitely recommend this phone to anyone who's looking for a newer smartphone on a budget price. This is an awesome device. I mean, rather than buying a Redmi Note 5 Pro or another Xiaomi's, devices, or even a Huawei Honor 10 and Nova 3, this is definitely a very tough competitor, and the price they have kept is less than OnePlus 6, which is commendable. And between this and OnePlus 6, the only difference I can see is a bit of performance, you can say, and the camera of OnePlus 6 might be a little bit better than this. I haven't done the testing for this phone, but this phone has everything going for it, so I will really give a big thumbs up. Go for this smartphone, you will not be disappointed. So I really highly recommend this phone. It's an awesome smartphone. I'll be testing this phone for another 2-3 weeks and making more videos for that, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. There is also a giveaway running for HTC Desire 12 Plus. You can click over here for the links and take a part in that giveaway. I'll be announcing the winner on 10th of September, so few more days left. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy the video and you like the video. If you have more questions about the smartphone, please write me in the comments and I'll answer you all. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video about the Pocophone F1, maybe tips and tricks or camera tricks. Till then, goodbye. Peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you will constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.